high. What the hell?
It's just a tree.
At least I'm catching it.
Nah, it used to be higher.
No, I think
He's starting.
it's good. There you go.
That's from a drone. You can barely see it.
That fucking thing is scary.
What?
Oh shit. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. It
You
looks
should
like
tell him.
You know, somebody would say that
They have recorders on
Somebody
there.
else has one. Look, there's one over there.
Yeah, it's like a freaking.
Wow, that's neat. See, the fireworks should be higher.
Drones have cameras on
Like
them. Ooh,
that.
give me that. Ow! Why did I say
Why are you
ow?
recording if you're making so much noise? Stop talking.
Okay, you stop.
That's cool. I want
They're
one.
like
What, a drone?
Yeah, how high do they go?
Pretty high. They're recording the fireworks.
There's the fireworks.
yeah, that was nice and high. It's so weird how you hear the boom after.
Yeah. Echo. I hate those white
See
ones.
the lights first though, and then you hear the boom.
A heart.
That looks like a little... Oh my gosh!
Those are the loud ones.
That's
I thought I knew they went higher. What if you got the drone close up in there?
I don't know.
I think they did this last year.
It's the same every year. Don't record the whole thing
Why?
because you're ruining my phone.
No, I'm not.
That one was cool.
We can like rewatch this on Christmas. If you have this phone till Christmas. Do you have the cloud? Oh my
Oh, he
gosh.
has to follow it.
Yeah,
So far, there's 2 drones going on. This is up there high.
yeah.
You're lucky we get to rewatch this.
Stop talking.
Oh my head. This,
Yo, he's moving his drone closer. You see how? Look at the other one.
That's so weird.
Huh?
It reminds you of a spaceship.
Yeah.
If it was 20 years ago when you had one of these,
You'd
people
think
would think
one.
it was a
Yep.
freaking flying saucer.
I wonder if he's gonna get it closer in there.
what if the sparks hit it?
I don't know.
After this, you want to do sparklers?
No, we gotta beat the traffic out of here.
Yeah.
We can do sparklers at home.
Yeah, you
Pretty.
Do them on July 4th after work.
But aren't I with Nanny?
Yeah, I don't know yet what's going on.
Sorry.
About the side job, yeah.
That wasn't.
That was
Oh, I'm
nice.
tired.
Uh-oh, I got a fart. It's on
As you're
camera.
recording.
Uh-oh, I got a phone.
If I show this to Havana, she's like, ooh. Ooh, that was like a weird heart. Where's it gonna land?
Are you watching what you're recording?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Oh, you can see the drone on the camera. Look, he's flying up top there.
Who's gonna be the highest?
Suck at recording. Look,
No, I don't.
there. You need it in the middle. You have it sideways.
So at least we still get the fireworks.
Stop moving the camera.
I'm sorry.
You can spy on anybody with those things.
Yeah.
It's already been 5 minutes.
That was a dud. I wonder if if he could, the drone could hit the other drone.
Oh, he's going higher.
Maybe we should run into each other.
Go get the North Star.
I wonder how high up they can go.
Go to the North Star, then go to the North Pole.
I keep catching people trying to throw their garbage in the dumpster. Sitting yelling out the window. From all over the place. Like some people just moved in down
Those
the
are
block.
low
So
ones.
they're bringing the garbage. I was like, yeah. You throw your garbage in here, I'm calling the police and you're going to get a fine. It's like...
And
I
it's
think it'll
not
be filled
July
up
4th.
It'll be emptied Friday and be filled up on Sunday. And one day I was walking and I was down a block and I saw this guy carrying
That's a
2
dud.
bags. And, you know, he was coming towards me and I stopped and I waited. And sure enough, he was walking towards me. So I yelled at him. I said, you know what, this is the last time because next time I catch you, I'm calling and you're going to get a freaking fine. You know, my landlord's got to pay extra every time he's got to empty that damn thing, an extra time. That's not
6
right.
minutes.
We'll stop it for now and then play it toward the end.
Why?
Don't want to pay for their garbage. That's what it is.
No, you're blocking it.
People don't want to pay for their
Yeah.
garbage.
Or they have too much and they don't want it hauled away, so, because certain things can go out. Stop recording for now.
No.
You're killing my phone.
No, I'm not.
There's another drone over there. The green one. See it?
Oh my goodness.
There's a green drone, red one, and his purple one.
Blue.
I wonder how much they are. They're probably expensive.
Yeah.
Just like hoverboards. Oh yeah. Is today July 2nd? Pretty. Bye. Ooh.
I like the way they come up with these names, a drone.
Yeah. That green one's real close. See it?
Yeah.
Wow. He's like right underneath.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it.
True,
That-
yeah.
That drone's ruining everything. The drone. Oh. Right on the drone.
It's probably nowhere near it. It's just on the other side of the highway.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like the ones that make those noises. Go.
Oh, the whistlers?
Uh-huh, they sound nice.
Oh, I don't like those.
I don't either.
Ooh.